Yes. So good afternoon, everyone. And so for those of you who are joining new here, so this is a live where we do market analysis for the day of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and on days for Nifty as well. So we do complete price action analysis, market analysis based on OI data, based on option chain data, and much more, right? So we do this daily at 3:45 p.m. as soon as the market has ended, and in order to understand what happened today and also predict what would happen tomorrow, right? So that we have a better understanding of the market. So yes, welcome back for those of you who are joining every day. Welcome back to the live stream, and yes, we shall start in the next 30 45 seconds. Before that, a quick disclaimer that we do not provide any calls or tips, and this is purely for educational purpose only. And if you want to take any trades, make sure you consult your financial advisor, right? So yes, yes, so we can, yes, so we shall start with Bank Nifty as usual. So very interesting Bank Nifty, and we shall also see if it was in our range, or did it break out the support or resistance that was drawn by us yesterday, right? So we shall check that too. Okay, so quickly, a quick market replay. So yeah, just directly looking at it, we can see that gainers were 117 today, while losers were only 73, right? So market seems bullish today. So let's just check. Okay, PCR 1.25, and okay, let me just play this at 5x. So this, for those of you again who are seeing this feature for the first time, this is the market replay feature, and you should see what it does. So yes, quickly just starting it. Okay, see a huge red candle being formed at the beginning, but okay, I don't see any signs of bearish yet. Market crosses 41,400 as well, and still seems bullish, right? PCR staying at around 1.3. So PCR basically, so we get to know that okay, there are a lot of call sellers, right? I mean, put sellers, and hence the high PCR. Okay, so as we can see, the market does go higher. Usually we see either a reverse inside during 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, right? But today, as you can see, it did continue to be very bullish. Okay, I'm guessing it should have broken our resistance zone that we had drawn yesterday, in which we thought, okay, if it does break this zone, Bank Nifty would be very bullish, right? So yes, as you can see, okay, it ended at for the future. So this is the future chart, and futures ended at 41,500, right? At a PCA of 1.25, so which is very good. So yes, let us just go to the trading view chart, and let's see how good our analysis for yesterday was. So yes, okay, this was today's chart, which formed a small channel at the end. Yes, so we can see the, okay, yes. So as you can see, so 40,500 was where we drew our support, and 41,000 was our resistance, right? So if I just extend that a little, yes. And so the market ended around 41,780, right? So that was the ending yesterday, and we thought that okay, so these were the support and resistance drawn from yesterday, and we knew that okay, if it breaks 41,000, we can see a more bullish run, and we saw that okay, there was a huge gap up opening today, right? So this was the gap up opening, and we saw no signs of bearish. So I think that is very good news on the people who are long on the market, as we see that okay, 41,000 is broken, and we saw a very bullish move today, even towards the end, right? I think the highs were made towards the end as well. So okay, so this is very good. So as you can see, we saw a gap up opening, and we saw complete up move today, right? So we can just, let me just save the charts, and okay, let me just quickly check out the PCR chart as well, right? So this is set to Nifty, and let me just set it to Bank Nifty quickly. Yes. So we know that, okay, higher the PCR, the more bullish, right? So, oh, sorry. Let me just go to the OI chart. My bad. Open interest. Yes. So this is where you would find the PCR data as well. So today PCR is 1.2. I think it should be higher than yesterday. Let me just go to the history charts of uh, 10th here, and as you can see, yes, so yesterday was zero point 0.6, which was very bearish side, right? So we did think, okay, it should be sideways to bearish due to the PCR data, but due to today's gap up opening and a very bullish movement, we saw that we just go back, so from zero point 0.6 to 1.2. So that's a very bullish insight, right? So PCR tells that, okay, it has, from yesterday to today, it has moved in a very bullish manner, and it seems a little bullish as well, as it broke our resistance zone of 41,000 as well, right? So if we look at quickly the option chain for Bank Nifty as well, we'll get good data. So yes, 41,000 that we had marked yesterday has an OI of 29.8 lakh. That should, if I just quickly go back to the charts, 41,500. Okay, 41,500 is our new resistance zone, which we shall mark. And let me just go to the option chain again. So 41,500, and as you can see here, 41,000. That is 36.2 lakh, right? Oh wait, yes, it is live data. I suddenly thought it was for 10th April, right? So yes, 41,000 and 41,500. So those are the support. So yes, 41,000 will be our new support that was formed. That was yesterday's resistance, and we shall just draw one at 41,500, right? So this is where a lot of call sells have happened. So let's see if it what happens tomorrow. So again, this is a very good support based on OI and psychological support. Let me just put a call out as well. So a price label here. Yes. So yes, as you can see, 41,000 to 41,500 according to OI data. The Bank Nifty should be around this, and we saw a very bullish move of PCR data as well. So let's see. So it seems bullish. The market seemed bullish all of a sudden. I'm guessing Nifty also should seem bullish, as I was much more bullish on Nifty than Bank Nifty. But yes, let's see Nifty as well. So we saw a small consolidation here, and again we're back to the bullish markets, right? If you look at the a little more longer view of it, we saw a good we saw a good sideways market here when we begin the analysis. We saw amazing channel being formed, which was very bullish, and we saw a small consolidation from, I think, April, right? So April 5th, 6th, we saw a small consolidation happening after the huge channel bull run. And now I think we are back to being bullish again. So markets seem to be in a very good bullish market direction. Maybe the results are coming out soon as well, and everyone must be posting good results. This might be one of the reason. So if you know why the markets are bullish, make sure you put in your views in the comments as well. And if I quickly, yes, let's go to home and we can check out Nifty as well, right? So we saw Bank Nifty to be a very bullish move, but yes, so we saw 1.34% change in Bank Nifty, whereas Nifty, which ended at 17,718, is moved 0.53%, right? So we'll just check out the market replay for that as well. So yes, so similar, we saw gainers 117 in Nifty and losers 173, right? Yes. So if I put Nifty here in 0.5x, and yes. So yes, Nifty is moving around 17,700. This is again the future chart. So you can put down in the comments if you analyze using the futures chart or the spot chart, right? So we can also accordingly do so. I generally use the spot chart, but okay. So Nifty, there was a very big fall, right? Around 11:30. Does it go lower? Okay, it does break the gray low. So we see a very different movement of Nifty and Bank Nifty here. You can see that the day low was broken off Nifty, and I think it should end up higher, as we did see the 1.34% gain, right? Yes. So yeah, as I was saying, spot charts or future charts, you can let me know which charts you personally like to use and which charts do you see and trade, right? So yes, Nifty, very different movements from Bank Nifty. Uh, Still bullish towards the end. We saw a huge rise till 17,800. Okay, futures have hit 17,800, which is amazing, which is a very bullish move. But yeah, we saw a reversal completely from 17,800 towards 17,715, right? Almost a 100-point fall after a very good high, which also broke the day low, right? So it seems to be ranging between both now 17,700 and 17,800, the futures chart, right? So yes, as you can see here, yeah, so after hitting the 17,700, so it seems like a very sideways market where it's moving both ways, right? So Nifty seems a little more sideways than Bank Nifty, but yeah, let us see. I think it should be a gap up opening as well. We shall check the charts for it as well. So yes, this is Bank Nifty, and let me just change it to Nifty. Yes, so if we look at Nifty charts, okay, we saw, yes. So we were bullish after 17,700, which was our psychological support, as well as, psychological resistance, which it had to break, right? So yes, we saw, okay, yes, it's a similar very big gap up opening as well in Nifty. And as we can see here, yeah, it's a little more sideways, right? So it was a gap up opening, but then we didn't see, we don't see Nifty as bullish as Bank Nifty. But yes, so I think 17,650 was the low around that, and 17,750 in the spot charts, right? So 17,750 to 650. So yes, okay. If we look at our levels here, which we have drawn, you can see yes. So 17,007 onwards, we are a little more bullish. So I am a little more bullish on Nifty because the levels were broken, and after going back down, it did retest again, right? So we are here, and it retested and it broke out as well. So very bullish on Nifty as well, and Nifty charts on a more longer form view, we can see it to be a very bullish move, right? If you look at that, since 31st March till 12th April, we see a very good upward move of Nifty, right? So markets are bullish. We saw that even in a long-term view of Bank Nifty, we saw a very good bullish uh, move as well. So markets seem to be suddenly in a very good bull trend, and it seems strong as well, right? Because I think yesterday we expected a little more sideways market, and we saw the PCR data also telling us it would be a little more bearish, as we saw it come down from a higher PCR data to a lower one, right? So similarly, I think PCR should have increased for Nifty as well. If we quickly just check that, OI. So yes, OI, it's in Bank Nifty. Let me just change that. Yes, expiry April 13th, right? Yes. So yes, so PCR is around 1.1, which seems smallly bearish. I mean, smallly bullish itself. But yes, we should just compare it from yesterday's, and we should see that okay, it has moved in a very bullish sense, right? So yeah, 0.9 to 1.9. Okay, not as much as Bank Nifty, but we do see it move towards a little more bullish manner, right? So that's why we saw that, okay, today's movement was a little more sideways after the gap up opening in Nifty. That's why it's still around 1.1, where, okay, we don't know which side it would move exactly. But yeah, we saw Bank Nifty move from a zero point 0.6 to around 1.2 or 1.3, which is a much more bullish view on it, right? So yes, so Nifty, as we see, should continue sideways bullish, whereas Bank Nifty should be a little more bullish in the coming few days. So we have drawn our supports for that as well. And yes, so that is our analysis and views. And as usual, you can let me know in the comments on how you are expecting the market for tomorrow. Are you bullish? Are you bearish, or are you sideways for tomorrow, right? So we shall see. And yes, market seems to be in a very bullish run, which is very good for everyone in the market as well as the companies, right? So yes, we shall see how it performs tomorrow again in a live. And until then, yes, make sure you consult your financial advisor for any trades taken. This is purely for educational content. And yes, we do not provide any calls or tips, right? So that's it for today's analysis. Thank you for joining in.